walking my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, it's good to know where you live right now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylin, and we are back with another video. Today's video is the first cash stuffing for the month of July. We are going to get right into it because there's so much to talk about today. So we have a cash stuffing. We're going to put some money into our savings challenges. We're going to talk about debt. We're going to talk about our July goals, how we're doing so far, and we're just going to chit chat along the way. So if you are new, thank you for tuning in. My name is Kaylin. I am 27 years old. I am a mom, I am a wife, and I am a nurse, and I'm just on this journey of trying to become debt-free, achieve financial freedom, and do it with the foundation of Christ, as always with everything in my life. I'm trying to be a good steward of the money that he has blessed me with, of the things he has blessed me with, and of the people around that he has blessed me with. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this video. Let's get into it. If you've been around, you know the first thing that we do is do our reading out of the Joy for Journey book. So today's reading is Enjoying Friendship. When the chips are down, there's nothing like a good girlfriend. A friend is someone who accepts you, warts, wrinkles, weight, and all unconditionally. She will listen to you cry or complain and do her best to look out for your best interests. She supports you through thick and thin, but because there is mutual respect, she will not allow you to wallow in self-pity or manipulate her. She will encourage you to be your best self and allow you the freedom to make your own choices. All women are born with the need to communicate at a deeper level with their mothers, grandmothers, sisters, daughters, aunts, cousins, and other significant females in their lives. Wholesome friendships among women promote sound mental and emotional health. Friends remind us we are part of something greater than ourselves, a larger world, and the right friends keep us on track. And that was by Barbara Jenkins from Wit and Wisdom for Women. So promises about enjoying friendship: a friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity, which is Proverbs 17 verse 17. If we love one another, God abides in us, and his love has been perfected in us. That's 1 John 4:12. And if one member suffers, all the members suffer with it. Or if one member is honored, all the members rejoice with it. That's 1 Corinthians 12 verse 26. Then let brotherly love continue. Do not forget to entertain strangers, for by so doing some have unwittingly entertained angels. Hebrews 13 verses 1 through 2. I think it's just so nice. It's also like one of the main reasons why I started my YouTube channel was to connect with other women who are like-minded and on the same kind of journey in life as me. You know, everyone here is from all different parts of the world, different ages. We're all at different stages in our life, but it helps to have a group of people to be in community with, and this budget community has been wonderful, the community on my page, and that is why I made my ministry She Persists with Purpose, to get a group of women together to not only encourage but have them to encourage me as well, and just persist and push through any of the challenges that we face in life. And yeah, so enough talking, let's get into it. I'm going to get the money out of our bank withdrawal slip, and we are stuffing a total of $323 today. So let's make sure: 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 323. Okay, so let's separate that. First things first, we're gonna get into my cash envelope wallet. So I have done really well. We'll talk about like the goals at the end, but I have done really well, y'all. I have not been spending. I have not been doing anything I was not supposed to, and we've been starting off this month great, and I'm really happy about that. So I was able to have some money, you know, for this cash stuffing. So gas, I actually filled up and used my card, and I already reimbursed myself with my card. So this is going to be $40 for gas that I'll be able to use whenever it gets close to empty, but I should be good for about a week or so. Eating out is not getting anything because that is one of the goals this month, is not to eat out. I'm just flipping this as I turn. I have an IHOP gift card in here. Spending is gonna get $25. This is just if we're out and about and we need something. I can't wait to the day where I can put like $100 in here and be able to have that to spend as needed. Coffee's not getting anything. I've been drinking my tea and making coffee at home. Date night is gonna get $25. We desperately need to go on a date soon. We went to the movies last to see Bad Boys, the last one, and it was so good. I love every single Bad Boys, but I'm like, keep on making them, because if you keep making them good like this, keep on making them. So that was our last date night, and then we went out to eat, and that was really fun. Activities is gonna get $10. Starting to put stuff back in here just because I like with my daughter, trying to get her out of the house, because the girl's a ball of energy at 2, and we need to get that energy out throughout the day because some days she is just wired to the max. Books is going to get $5. I actually got a gift card for Barnes & Nobles for graduating, so I have $40 on here, and then I have $4 left on here, and then I have a $5 reward, so I have a good amount of money to get some books when I need to. But I think I'm gonna wait until like the fall. So then Cam, she has a McDonald's gift card in there that was a gift for her birthday, and she has a bunch of gift cards that she got for her birthday that I need to put in here, but I don't think I'm gonna put them in here unless we're like going out, because it was like 5, 6, something like that gift cards, so I don't want to carry them all around all the time. But I'm gonna be putting $10 in there to go towards more stuff for her. We're probably gonna start looking for like fall clothes. We're going on a trip soon, so maybe some stuff for the trip. But other than that, we're saving those gift cards and everything for just when we need them, like diapers, wipes. A lot of it was to like Old Navy and Target, Amazon, so we have a bunch to work with. Personal is gonna get $10. This would be anything I might need from like Target or, you know, any of my girly stuff. Ties is going to be getting $50. Sometimes I use my card, but this time I was like, let's just go put the money into the envelope. So that is the wallet. Now we're gonna get into my cash envelope binder. B-Days and gifts. I said I wasn't gonna put anything in here anymore, but I changed my mind. I'm going to just put minimal, and we'll start working towards this for next year. So birthdays and gifts has $5. I did not update any of these trackers. I will do that later. Hubby is gonna get $25. Now we're gonna be saving for his birthday in December, so hopefully I'll be able to meet this up. Car maintenance is gonna get $10. I decided to do 10 because I know when I pay off the one Sallie Mae loan that I'm putting a big chunk of money to car maintenance for my brakes to get done. So I'm not gonna go ahead and put a whole bunch in here. I'm just gonna start building this one slowly. Emergency fund has $15 in there, and we are adding 20, so we'll have a total of 35, 20, 30, 35. Medical dental is empty. We're putting $5 in here just in case. I know I talked about in the last video that I have the health savings account now through my job. I did opt to do, I think I did $1,250 for the year, so I can use that for any medical expenses, anything that's FSA or HSA eligible, which I found out you can buy things from like Amazon, you can buy things from the store and get reimbursed. They actually have a FSA and HSA website that you can use to buy stuff, and you can get anything like from medicine, pads, baby stuff, a lot of stuff. It's like you just have to check it out if you have an account. I think that that's going to be really, really nice, and also to pay for like co-pays to doctor's appointments and stuff like that. I'll be able to use that card. So they did send me the debit card in the mail, so I have $1,250 that is, you know, coming out pre-tax of my check. So I really, really am excited, and I'm glad that I did that as an option, because you just never know what might pop up. And these health bills, medical expenses are expensive, so I'm glad I have a little cushion now. And the good thing about it is my job will give it to you all the day your plan starts. So I have all $1,250 on that card ready to go, and then it just comes out through my check throughout the year. It's wonderful. So that's getting $5. Vacation has $15, and I'm going to be putting $35 because, like I mentioned, we are going on a trip. I already got the rental car, and I was going to use my Capital One card for the benefits, but it was so expensive for like using like Enterprise, like one of those things through the airport. And usually when we go on trips we use Turo, so I just went ahead and got the car in Turo. It was like $376. Not bad, but that is going to be budgeted out towards the end of the month in August. So this might either go towards that, or this might be like the little cash I have on hand when we go on the trip. So we'll see. But I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. This honestly will probably be pocket money that I bring to the trip, because we're staying at a resort. Usually we stay at an Airbnb, but this is a resort because it's a timeshare, and we're obviously gonna have to buy food and stuff. So I want to bring at least a decent bit amount of money for food. Christmas, poor Christmas has gotten neglected. It has $40 in here. We are adding 20 finally. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Like I mentioned, I probably will use my 100 envelope savings challenge money to go towards Christmas and like gifts and stuff, because I'm not going to make it to $5,000 for the 100 envelope savings challenge at all with paying Sallie Mae off. So I might use that for that if I can't get this up to where I need it to go, and I don't foresee that happening. So we'll figure that out later, but that is what I'm thinking. Giving is going to get $5, that in there, and that is it. So now I'm going to talk about my dollar savings challenge. I didn't have any dollars this time around, so I did just go ahead and put my July envelope in the front, and we'll be ready to put dollars in there from whatever I spend using this month. I did go in and count, and I have $33 in here so far, so that is the update on the dollar savings challenge, $33. Now we're going to get into the 100 envelope savings challenge, and this one, y'all, we're putting some stuff into this one. I'm really excited. So instead of putting the dollars that I had in my wallet in the dollar savings challenge, I decided to use it for the 100 envelope savings challenge because I had a lot of the little numbers that I still needed to fill. So we're gonna do that. We have $335 in here now. We are going to be putting in $6, $7, $4, $1, $11, and $12. So total we're putting in $41 this week. So I'm gonna color those in real quick. $1, 6, 7, 11, and 12. So it's not that I didn't have dollars, I just decided to use the dollars that I had for this because I'm trying to fill it up as best as I can. Let us go in here and put those in. So we have $1, 1, 2, 3, $4. I like can't wait to do this like when I can actually do it like heavily and get to the 5,000. It's gonna be really nice. We use $7, so, and then we're gonna do $6, and then we're gonna do 11 and 12. So we have 11 right here, and then we have 12. This is like a really fun challenge. Like I like just seeing that, like, oh shoot, like I have some money. In here. It's nice to see. All right, so that's what we have. So we have $41 total that we put in, and I'm just going to update this balance. So this was for the check for 712. We went from 335 plus 41 equals 376. So I also looked at this and was like, wow, everything I have in here would go towards that rental car too, but I don't want to empty it just yet. 376 is in there. Now we're gonna do coins. Y'all, we haven't done coins in forever, and honestly because it's like I've only had a little bit, but now I have like a good amount. So we have $11.25 in here, and we are going to put all this in there. That was a workout. Okay, so we had $11.25 before, and now we have $21.03. So we just put in $9.78. Okay, that is good. That is good. I am happy about that. So now I have $21.03. And now we're just gonna talk about an update on our savings and the goals. So I can find the little paper I have for you guys last time. So goal was to $1,000 to Sallie Mae, which will be in the second check, second cash stuffing, pay Capital One balance. I can say that it was actually around $1,300, and now it is around like $350. I paid $900 with this check, so it should be paid off by cash stuffing number 2 of this month. I have been tracking my expenses daily, which is why I have not been spending, so yay for us. And as far as the no buy challenge, it was specifically for Amazon, the Pizza Shop, and Dunkin' and Starbucks. I can safely say I have not spent at all so far. Today is the 11th. You'll be seeing this on the 12th, but I have not spent anything at all for these 3 places in July. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill out my trackers. And then the only time I ate out was at work, and that was the 3rd. I used my card, and I used my card on Sunday the 6th. So I still think that that is good. This was grocery, and then this was gas, and all that was like reimbursed. So nothing adds to debt as far as that. And then eating out, I just ate on the 6th at work. I've been packing my lunch and making dinner before I go. It's hard on night shift because you like to snack and eat throughout the night, but your girl did it. So I have these trackers just to keep me like in line so I get a visual. It is nothing crazy. I just made it on Canva. If you're interested, comment down below with like your email, and I'll email it to you because it's a PDF. But you can open it up in GoodNotes and use it as well. I have Amazon, no eating out, and then no credit card use challenge. So I want to say that's it. So the next time you'll see me as far as budget wise is in the next cash stuffing at the end of the month. It will be mostly debt focused, and we're going to pay Sally Mae and then, you know, go over how we did as far as our challenges for the month and stuff like that. So that is all I have for you guys for this video. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that this has been an inspiration. I hope that July is going well for you guys as well. As long as you stay on top of your budget, I promise you will be so proud of yourself, because I'm really proud that I haven't excessively spent, because I'm trying to come back from the mistakes of May and June. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.